Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Z from GoWithZee.com. In today's video, we're going to be creating seamless pattern in Canva. Welcome back guys. So we'll just go to it to see what seamless patterns are all about. Okay, in another words, it means background. Okay, yeah, background. If you follow me on this channel, you've seen times where we have to go to Pixabay or Creative Fabrica to get backgrounds for our work. Okay, and you can use this to create anything, whether it's your print on demand store or your KDP store. Now seamless patterns are usually the 3600 by 3600 pixel, but we're going to create it in segments so that we can have a flowing pattern, and I'm going to be using 1200 by 1200 pixel. Okay, so I have my blank Canva. I just went straight to my upload. I have uploaded some clip arts, you can see them. So I went there and I picked one of them that I want to use, which is a unicorn theme. Okay, so I just simply look for the center of this my Canva, okay, so that it makes my work very easy for me. Okay guys, so you look for the center, then you start dragging and dropping, duplicate, drag and drop. Now what we are trying to do here is to get this thing to flow, so that when you are infusing them together, when you're bringing them together, okay, you will have a continuity. You have a pattern that is a continuous process, that is in a continuous form. Okay guys, so I just simply continue to drag and drop, and then I made sure that they were aligning. This is where you have the work when you're preparing your seamless pattern work, okay, or your seamless pattern background, okay, whatever you call it. This is where the work is. So I'm done with arranging my clip art. I now went straight to element. I wanted to add some more stars, okay, so that it can pop out. All right, I want the yellow in the stars to just be around it a little bit more. Okay, so I went to Creative Fabrica and I got a star, and you can actually create this pattern for free. Yes, okay, I'm an advocate of free things, especially for those who are just starting up in the online space. All right, so I duplicated this star and I just put them in specific places. You can do the same, okay, and then make sure that they are aligning. What do I mean? If you want to put one upward, make sure it's aligning with the bottom, so that when you join them together it will flow. Okay, so your stars don't come out haphazardly. All right, so I was satisfied with this pattern I have created. Now I can download this as a transparent background, but for people who do not have the pro account, you can't do that. So what I simply did was I added color to this particular artwork I have done. Okay, yes, I added color to it. If you do not have the Canva Pro account, you cannot download the transparent background, so you need to put color. That you need to already know what kind of color you want to use for your artwork, or what kind of color you want to sell on your store, so that because if you put color now, you cannot change it. Okay guys, all right, so oh, you can also go to remove background, which is a free site on the web that you can also use to remove this background, but it's much work, so just go ahead and put the kind of color you want to use. So I went ahead and I downloaded my first page, this page 1. I downloaded it in a transparent background. All right, so I'm going to show you how I use it later, or how I infuse them together. I would also download the other ones so you can see how we use that one as well. So you go to your file. When we have finished downloading, we'll go to the file, we'll go to custom size and just put in 3600 by 3600, okay, in pixel, and then click on create new design. It will give us a fresh Canva that the seamless paper will be on. Okay, this is where the pattern will be brought together. Okay, so we'll go back to upload, and then we'll upload the design we just created. Okay, that very Canva we did, which was 12 by 12, okay, sorry, which was 1200 by 1200. We'll upload it back into Canva, and then we would use that to create a seamless pattern. Okay, so I went ahead and I uploaded the transparent and the one with the background. Okay, so now that we have it on our Canva, you will simply pinch from the corner and reduce the size to give it back the original size, which is 1200 by 1200. Okay, so I'll just increase the font of my Canva now so you can see how I do my. Okay, so I went ahead and I pinched it to just get 1000, yeah, width and height 1200. Okay, I'll just reduce this thing back so you can see me drag it. I'll drag it to the corner up. Okay, because I want 3 to fit in. We want 9 of this very one. That 9 of it makes up 3600. All right, 3 width and then 3 on the height level. So I just duplicated and I aligned it. Make sure they are aligning. That's how you get your seamless pattern. You can see how I am doing mine. Yes, they are aligning. Okay, so duplicate again to get to the third one. All right, I increased my Canva font so you can see. I don't know if you can see it properly. All right, you can see it's fusing properly. Isn't this beautiful? It's just so easy, guys. It is very easy to create. Okay, so I will just simply highlight the 3 of them now and I would duplicate. If you're using Mac, Command D. If you're using Windows, Control D. I will just duplicate and I will also highlight again and duplicate to create the third one. That is 9 of them. Now you can decide to group so you don't they don't shift around. Okay, so we've created our seamless pattern. Now this is as good as what you can sell on Etsy. All right, okay, and you use them for your project. All right, in my subsequent video I'm going to show you how we can use this thing to create stationaries, to create postcards, to create notepads, a whole lot of things we can use this for. Okay guys, so I will just show you how we're going to use the other one. So I brought out the fresh page. Okay, I just clicked on add page and I put the one with the background. All right, it's the same process, just pinch from the corner. Please do not use the side. If you use the side, you would distort the image you had already painstakingly created. All right, so use the corners, drag it to 1200 by 1200, the same process, and you're done. Okay, so I'll just show you some other designs that I made earlier on. So guys, if you've been finding value so far from this video and you haven't subscribed, please kindly do so. It helps us grow on the channel. Do remember to click the notification bell and also hit the like button. All right guys, remember to comment, let me know what you want me to create next. Okay, all right, so I also went ahead and I did some butterflies. All right, the same process. This butterfly is beautiful. I can't wait to use this in a project. Okay, please do not forget to follow us. All right, share with your friends so you see what we create next. All right, I'm going to be doing some printable stationaries that you can sell. Okay, these are notepad, gift cards. All right, you're going to see how we create them, postcards and the likes of them. And I just went ahead and I changed the background because this is a transparent I downloaded this one as a transparent background. Okay, Canva Pro is beautiful. If you don't have one, don't worry, you can do this even without Canva Pro. All right guys, we've come to the end of this video. You can see how we created seamless pattern. All we need to do now is to download this pattern, and I'm going to be downloading the first one in the transparent background. When I use it in my next video, you would see how I use it. All right, and I'll also download the other ones with the background, so you also see how you can do that if you do not have Canva Pro. All right, until I see you in my next video, remember that I love you and keep growing. Okay, bye bye.